Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your cache each time on your device when it's locked. So when your Redmi Note 14 Pro is locked, it'll basically automatically clear cache, which will basically help your mobile phone run a bit more quicker. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see battery. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on additional features. From here, find clear cache when device is locked. Tap on this, and now you can go ahead and choose all of these options. So clear cache in 1 minute, in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. So we'll go ahead and clear cache in 1 minute. We'll go ahead and press home. And now when you lock your device, after 1 minute, it'll then start clearing the cache on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on clear cache each time your device is locked on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.